Today we are going to discuss about perfect competition. We know that the market structures based on competition can be broadly divided into two: perfect competition and imperfect competition. Let us see what is the definition for perfect competition. According to Balding, perfectly competitive market is a situation where a large number of buyers and sellers are engaged in the purchase and sale of identically similar commodities, who are in close contact with one another and who buy and sell freely among themselves. In other words, perfect competition is a market situation in which there is large number of buyers and sellers are engaging in buying and selling of homogeneous products, and individual buyer or seller has no control over its price, and the price is determined by the forces of market supply and demand. Example for perfect competition is a market for milk. All milk suppliers produce the same milk and the price is controlled. We can see that a large number of dairy farms produce milk, and this milk is the same. None of the farmers produce enough milk to dominate the market. Because there are too many producers, the farmers must be the price takers, because no one farmer can influence the price. If one increases the price, their customer will simply go somewhere else. Now we will see what are the characteristics of perfect competition or features of perfect competition. The first one is large number of buyers and sellers. The number of buyers and sellers in the market is so large that none of them individually is in a position to influence the price and output of the industry as a whole. That means, in the market, the position of a buyer or seller is just like a drop of water in an ocean. The next feature is that the product of all firms is homogeneous. In other words, goods produced by different firms are identical in nature, that no individual has a preference for a particular seller over the other. Salt, wheat, etc. are some of the homogeneous products for which the customers are indifferent. Another feature is free entry and exit. This implies if a firm suffers from a huge loss due to the intense competition in the industry, then it is free to leave that industry, and there is no restriction on entry and exit of the firms. The next feature is no government regulation. The government has no interference in the market structure in terms of tariffs, subsidies, etc. Another feature is perfect mobility of the factors of production. The factors of production are perfectly mobile in perfect competition. This means that they can freely move from one firm to another. Next feature is no transaction cost. In perfect competition, the buyers and sellers do not incur any transaction cost. The buyer pays the price that exactly equal to the price that the seller receives. In other words, the seller incurs no additional cost like advertisements, etc., since his product is not differentiated from the other sellers. Another important feature of the perfect competition is that there is full knowledge of the market. In perfect competition, it is assumed that all buyers and sellers have the complete knowledge of the prevailing price of the product. These are the main features of perfect competition.